Oh, new parts. Yeah. Time to open this up. Maybe. Ooh. Here we go. Need a fucking drink to study my hand. God damn it. So the 4-door Blazer is getting a new exhaust on it because it sounds like a fucking bag of shit right now with a rotted out muffler. Somehow Summit sells a 2.5-inch catback system for this thing. Don't know if I'm going to run this Hush muffler, but it is pretty tiny. Put it on there for now. Could always swap it out later. So I'm going to show you guys how I get this fucking brand new exhaust system in this fucking thing. It's not that hard. Exhaust is not getting hard. I know experienced mechanics, fucking mechanics have been doing this twice as long as I have, and they're like, oh my god, exhaust, I hate exhaust. It's not getting hard. This especially isn't fucking hard. It's literally bolt right in. I cut the old bullshit out, bolt this in. I can literally have this done in about 20 minutes. Step fucking 1, jack up the truck. Oh, fuck. Step fucking 2, get yourself one of these goddamn things. Step fucking 3, hack off this old bullshit. Step whatever the fuck we're on. Take out that exhaust pipe right there with that bolt and that bolt. Step 50 million. Remove the hanger here, and then you got one fucking somewhere back there. Little fucking mechanics trick I'll teach you. I mean, this one comes right out. Spray some fucking brake clean on this bitch. Not PB Blaster, not WD. I mean, they'll okay, but you want real success, brake clean. Don't ask me why, but it fucking comes right out. It's like throwing a fucking hot dog down a hallway then. Maybe I should listen to my own goddamn advice here, huh? Just fucking soak it. See? What was I talking about? Came right out. Stick around with me, I'll fucking learn you. Wow, that went way fucking easier. Now we gotta install the intermediate pipe, which fucking no-brainer. Now, install the fucking muffler. Ow! So what you do now is you got the fucking thing loosely in here. You adjust it all. Put a spacer in the tailpipe, keep it off the body. Come in here, make sure It's not hitting anything. And I'm good to go right now, it looks like. So, this is when you slowly tighten everything down. So you don't want to go too fucking tight with these goddamn clamps. Because they're the cheap, chintzy, thinner, I can't fucking talk. They're thinner. They're 13 and 7, or 14, or, sorry, ½ and 7 9/16 bolt head. Now I got all the fucking clamps in tight. Now is when I'm going to tighten up the 2-bolt flange. So there it is, guys. Probably can't see it. No video sucks. But even with me filming and floundering around, it only took a half hour. I want to edit this down. And yeah, like I said, about 20 minutes to fucking do this. Oh, look at that. It clears. It's hung. But yeah, it doesn't hit anything. Now the question is, how the fuck does it sound? Literally, some fucking simple tools, 20-minute job. Don't be afraid of fucking exhaust, fellas. It's quieted low throttle inputs here. Should get me past those fucking pesky rim tabs. Shit. I see everything's legal with your truck. Everything's fucking good to go. I'm gonna pull you over anyways and fucking harass you. Just because. There's Majestic Jew's house. Let's wake him up. Two fucking things. First off, yeah, I got a haircut finally, right? Crazy. Second fucking thing, I'm gonna enter the International Car Show. It used to be the International Quarantine Car Show last year, but this year I'm entering it. With what? Well, this fucking thing, of course. I'm gonna be entering 2 categories with it. First fucking category, of course, the neutral drop burnout. I already told Stuntman, and he's already responded. I'm going to show him how we do it the Central New York way. And he's going to see fucking smoke signals from here. Like the old Indians. And the second category I'm entering is the factory Grip Garage category. I mean, it doesn't get any factory in this. It's built out of like literally the GM parts bin. I got parts from 4th Gen Camaro, 98 to 04 Blazer parts. Here I got, of course, the Chevy truck engine, all sorts of other Blazer parts on it. Yeah, the Ford rear end. I don't know. But either way, it's built out of many factory options. So, here we go. Clearly, it is burnout ready. You're gonna get it. Always looking for new ways to grow this channel here. Just do a fellow a favor. Look for that. It's called the International Car Show, or ICS. It's under Deboss Garage. So, yeah, anyways, fucking just don't put your hands any place you want to put your dick.